In today's class, we will deal with the how to calculate average atomic mass, right? Hello, I'm Lokendra, chemistry faculty. In today's class, we will deal with the how to calculate average atomic mass, right? So in this class, we will deal how to calculate average atomic mass. My dear students, what happens actually, it is not like that there is only one isotope that is present in the nature. So it happens that different atoms have their own different isotopes. For example, if I'm talking about chlorine, so it is available as 35Cl and 37Cl, right? So what is the atomic mass, average atomic mass, right? So it will depend on the abundance that is present, right? So my dear friends, abundance, it is 75% available in the nature, it is 25%, right? So now I'm going to calculate the average atomic mass according to the formula, right? Average atomic mass according to the formula, 35 into 75 plus 37 into 25 upon 100, because it is percentage. When you will solve this question, you will get the answer as 35.5. But my dear friends, it is not like that. Always these values will be in terms of 75, 25, right? Or 20, 80. It may be 82, 18. So at that time, what will happen? There will be a lot of time that will be consumed during the calculation. So you are not going to do with the help of this formula. You can solve this question with the very simple trick. What is the trick, my dear friends? Listen. This is 35Cl, this is 37Cl. 35Cl, 37Cl, right? So the average atomic mass will be in between 35 and 37. If any value it is given in the option as below than 35 or above than 37, it will be wrong. It will not be the answer. The exact answer will be between 35 to 37. It cannot be less than 35, it cannot be higher than 37, right? And the another thing is that this is right. And the another thing that average atomic mass will be closer to that isotope which have higher abundance, that will be the answer. For example, my dear friends, if I'm talking about 13Cl, 35Cl, 37Cl, the percentage abundance 75%, the percentage abundance 25%. Options are, we'll have to find the average atomic mass, and the options are given. We will not use the formula. We are going to solve this question by using this trick, right? Listen, the options are 34.5, 35.5, 36.5, 37.5. As I have told you, my dear students, that the answer will be in between 35 and 37. Answer will be in between the atomic mass of the isotopes. It cannot be less than 35 or it cannot be more than 37, right? Listen, this option is less than 35, so it is wrong. This option is more than 37, it is wrong. So two options are wrong, right? Now my dear friends, the answer will be close to that isotope, to atomic mass to that isotope which is having higher abundance. So it is having 75% abundance, it is having 25% abundance, that means it is having higher abundance, right? So answer will be close to the atomic mass of this isotope, that means answer will be very close to 35. So now you will check which one, whether it is B or whether it is C, which one is very close to 35. How you will check? You will write 35, what is the difference? 0.5. You will write 35, What is the difference? 1.5. Here there is a difference only of 0.5, there is a difference of 1.5, so it is very close. So it will be the answer, that means 35.5, it will be the right answer, right? I hope it is clear to you. I hope it is clear to you. We will discuss more examples, right? We are going to discuss more examples. Listen, it is boron. Okay, I'm not taking any element, right? I'm taking random element. Suppose it is capital A. It is capital A. It is written here, it is the 19 atomic mass, it is 20A, it is 19A, and the percentage abundance of this, it is 90%, it is 10%. Suppose I am going to change again change. It is having 10%, it is having 90% abundance, then what will be the average atomic mass? It is the question, my dear students. Options are, it will be equal to 18.9, it will be 19.1, it will be 20.9, it will be 20.1. These are 4 options, my dear students, right? Now these are 4 options, and we'll have to find the answer with the using trick. We are not going to use a formula here, right? So listen, what is the trick? The average atomic mass will be in between 19 and 20. It cannot be less than 19, it cannot be higher than 20. It will be less than 19 and more than 20, right? So my dear students, you can see that 18.9 is less than 19, it is a wrong option. 20.1, it is higher than 20, it is a wrong option, right? But now there are only 2 options, and out of these 2 options, one answer will be right option, right? Listen, average atomic mass will be very close to that, to the atomic mass to that isotope which is having higher abundance. It is having 90% abundance, it is having 10% abundance, so that means answer will be close to the atomic mass of this isotope. That means answer will be very close to 20. So 20, listen, we will have to see the closeness to 20. It is having 0.9 difference, it is having 0.1 difference. So 0.9, 0.1, that means it is very close. That means this will be the answer. C option will be the answer. 20.9 will be the answer. Now my dear students, suppose I am taking another example, B. Suppose it is 8, it is 10, it is having percentage abundance as 80%, it is having percentage abundance 20%, and he is asking average atomic mass. Options are A, B, C, D. Options are 7.6, 8.4, 9.6, 10.4. These are the options, my dear students, right? 9.6, okay, 9.6, 10.4. These are the options. Now I will solve this question by using the trick, not the formula, my dear students, right? I am not going to use the formula. So see, it is the atomic mass of 8, atomic mass of 10, and we'll have to find the average atomic mass, my dear students. As I have told that average atomic mass will be in between 8 and 10. It cannot be less than 8, it cannot be higher than 10. If it is less than 8 or higher than 10, so that means this is the wrong, those options are wrong. So less than 8, it is 7.6, less than 8, higher than 10, it is higher than 10, it is 10.4, that means wrong option. Now listen, my dear friends, answer will be close to the atomic mass of that isotope which is having higher abundance. It is having 80% abundance, so the average atomic mass will be close to 8. So it is 8.4. It is having difference of 1.6. So it is having a difference of 0.4 only. So it is very close. So that means B option is right option. Is it clear? I hope so. Now I will take another question. My dear students, it is not like that. This funda will be applicable only for those questions where the percentage abundance given as 10, 90, 80, 20 or 75, 25. If the percentage can be anything, the funda will be same. Suppose I am taking a previous year question of a competitive exam. Suppose I am going to take a question of NEET previous year exam. So here it is given that 11B, 11 boron and 10 boron. 10 boron having 19 percentage, it is having 81 percentage abundance, right? 81, right? So my dear students, now I will have to find the average atomic mass. Now options were given in that questions were 10.8, 10.2, 10.8, 10.2, 11.2, 10, 11.2 and 10. As I have told you that, my dear students, answer will be in between 10 and 11. It cannot be less than 10, it cannot be higher than 11. So if there is option which is less than 10, is there any option less than 10? No. Is there any option which is higher than 11? Yes, this is wrong option. My dear students, answer will be in between 10 and 11, not 10 or not 11, it in between 10 or 11, right? So it is 10. The answer will be in between 10 and 11, so it is 10, so it cannot be also a right answer, right? It is also wrong, because we'll have to find the answer in between 10 and 11, not 10 or 11, in between, right? So now listen, out of 10.8 and 10.2, one option will be the right option, right? I will have to find that which isotope having higher abundance. It is having 81%, it is having just 19%, so it is having higher abundance. That means answer will be very close to the atomic mass of this isotope, that is 11. So answer will be very close to 11. You will find the difference. It is having 0.2 difference, it is having the difference of 0.8, so it is having less difference. That means it is the right answer. Wrong. So that was all about this. You can find the average atomic mass in just 2 to 3 seconds by using this funda. Funda will be same, whatever the values of atomic masses or percent abundance is given to you, right? I hope it is very clear to you. If there is any doubt from this lecture or from this topic, if you are having, so you can ask in the comment section. I will be there, obviously. Thank you for watching.